Montauban is also known as the city of Ingres, a tribute to the 19th century French painter who was born there. Nowadays, however, the city is better known for its plethora of high-tech companies.
An anti-counterfeit device which uses bubbles of air and a new generation of fruit sugars. These two innovations, which appear simple yet may be revolutionary, were conceived here in Montauban in the southwest of France.
Nearby Moissac is one of the most important fruit production centres in the country. Here the fruit is sorted, washed and sized before being packaged and sent to supermarkets, greengrocers and restaurants. But every year more than 1,200 tonnes of fruit are declassified in this cooperative alone. And that's a sizable cost.
These fruits are declassified because of their appearance, colouring, or because they don't conform to specifications, so they're not sold to be eaten fresh. But for us they contain all the sugars in their natural form, glucose, fructose, etc., that we're working with.
The first tests were carried out at the INSA lab in Toulouse. Two researchers, specialists in biotechnology, were in charge of the process. As well as the traditional sugars, they found other rarer ones such as sorbitol, a sugar alcohol that's low in calories. Beyond creating totally natural sugars, encouraging experimental studies carried out on mice show the fruit sugar's very low glycemic index could limit the secretion of insulin, the formation of fat, and permit a better regulation of blood glucose levels. Commercial production's expected to start next year. Back to Montauban. Developed in 2000 and commercialized 5 years later, a bubble security tag that can be used to authenticate virtually anything. But its conception was something of an accident. Company ProofTag were looking for a way to get rid of bubbles in glue, but realized that the way the bubbles formed were totally random and unique.
We developed this concept from bubbles, which were self-generating in the material and which appeared with positions, shapes and dimensions which are always unique. Each bubble seal becomes, in a way, a fingerprint of the product or document on which it's used. The seal allows the consumer to check the authenticity of the product he is going to buy or consume.
The Count of Nieperg has been a wine producer at Saint-Emilion for 20 years. He was one of the first to use the bubble security tag.
We wish to protect ourselves against the problem of piracy and to provide our clients with a guarantee. Sometimes they invest substantial sums of money in purchasing a bottle. When someone has spent 100, 200, 300 or 400 euros on a bottle, I need to be able to say to them that what they're buying is authentic.
Wenn du die kaufst, bist du sicher, dass du eine echte hast.
Some 30 top wine producers are already using the bubble security system. It's also becoming more common in the luxury products, cosmetics and art industries. The next step could be to integrate the tag into official documents.